Well, today we're going to see the states of matter. The first one is gas. As you can see, the gas, this is water vapor. It doesn't have its own shape, but it takes the shape of the container. So if we put this plastic bag, okay, the gas will go into the plastic bag and will take the shape of the container. Now we want to look at solids. Matter can also be a solid. For example, this mobile phone, or this tomato, or this marker, they have a specific shape. They don't take the shape of the container. So no matter if we put it in this container, or in this other container, or in this other container, the shape of the phone is going to be always the same. The same with the tomato, and the same with the marker. The next state of matter that we have is liquid. Liquids don't have a specific shape because they take the shape of the container. So if I pour the water into this container, it takes a specific shape different to the shape it's going to take in this other container, and different to the shape it's going to take in this different container. The same happens with another liquid that is milk. Oops. I can take it out, but the same. The liquid is in this bag and it's taking the shape of this bag that contains it. So these are the three states of matter. Now we are going to look at the properties of water. If we look at this bottle of water, it's blue, but it's not because of the color of the water, but of the color of the bottle. So if I pour the water, we can see that water has no color. So we will say that water is colorless. If we smell the water, try at home, we can notice that water has no smell, so water is odorless. And if we taste the water and drink water, we will see that water has no taste, so water is tasteless. Water can also be in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. And we will continue. Well, we're going to see the states of water and how to change from one state to another. We have gas here. Can you see the gas? The water vapor. Liquid water and solid water. So if we take liquid water and we heat it, it evaporates and becomes a gas. As here, we were heating this one. If we take water, liquid water, and we put it in the freezer, it becomes a solid because it freezes. Okay? If we take the solid and put it out of the freezer, it melts and it becomes a liquid. We can see this, look. We see how the solid is becoming a liquid because it's getting hot. And if we take a gas and put it in a cold surface, like this bag that is colder than the water vapor, it's going to cool down and it's going to become water. We can see the little drops of water, and this is called condensation. It condenses. Okay, so let's review. Liquid, if we heat liquid, it evaporates and becomes a gas. Gas, if we cool down the gas, it condenses and becomes a liquid again. Now the liquid, if we put it in the freezer, it gets ice. It freezes into ice, solid. And now if we take the ice out of the freezer, it gets warmer and becomes a liquid. We say that it melts. Well, you can practice at home using water, using a kettle, and putting some water into the freezer. Enjoy!